who is like playing in part painting with the butterflies. So I'm gonna do it's just an outline of her wing first. That is super, like, how do I saying it? Really pleased with this because I swear with you, I'm not good at painting at all. Okay, and this is make it so much easy for me that now I'm so happy that I can actually paint simple butterflies. Well, beside all our sticker we have, but I want to able to do some painting.
You got 10 minutes for the butterfly.
10 minutes? What are you talking about? My butterflies will probably take more than that because I want to dress her up. So I want to try to get a lot of details so then when we put some pigment on it.
Yeah, so once you done with that quickly, just put your nail out. Tell me when to see. She tried to follow you while you do live.
Oh, my nails?
I know, the one you already did a little bit.
Oh, okay. It's so many different ways to do with your butterflies. This one of the way. I just trying to get a lot of more details. So
That's cute.
like there's a lot of different way. I want to try this new way too. Can you, in Instagram, can you see me? Great. I'm gonna make her. Maybe we should put her body crystal in it, huh? You're gonna continue filling it until you are satisfied with this. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and cure it. And I just wanna cure for 15 seconds, and then we're gonna do pigment on this. And I'm gonna still using the 3 colors of the pigments and see how it's gonna turn out. There's so many different ways. I can draw in another way too, but this one is the one I get a lot of like detail, but then I don't want to be too small a detail, so that you can see fun things, fun colors on the butterfly's wing.
15 seconds.
15 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
And just put whole body in it. And then we can do a crystal on her. It's gonna be so pretty. One-third of her, I guess. And then I'm gonna go into
The top.
like orange.
What you gonna do? The top orange and the bottom pink. Oh, still pretty. Or like you skip like that. So silver wing. Silver wing on the owl.
I don't know. Give it a try and see how is that turn out. You can do so many colors. I guess like 12 colors for you to. If you want to do pigments, make sure that your gel painting is gonna be, you still have a tacky layer.
Yeah, that's real pretty.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Dust this one off. And move that away. Then if you have a longer nails, you can do her a little bit longer, bigger, I guess.
Alrighty.
So I'm gonna be back.